Hey. This is for people that can't cook, that don't know how to cook, that don't have time to cook, that don't want to go grocery shopping. HelloFresh, you know what I'm saying? You hit them up. And then what happens after?
They give you everything that you need
to make your own meal. You know, we made 2 dishes, and then I'm gonna have my mom, my siblings come down, try our meals, and they're gonna choose what they like better. And loser has to, gotta do the dishes. I'm doing this one right here. That's me.
And I'm doing this one.
Alright, I'm about to win. I've never cooked in my life. This is how they bring it. I haven't opened it yet, you know what I'm saying? So everything is fresh. Everything is fresh.
This is for me.
It's mine. Don't touch my food, bruh. I'm up first. Pray for me, y'all. If this turns out good, I'm starting my own restaurant. Let's get it. Here's my bag right here. Oh, first things first. You know what I'm saying? A good cook always washes their hands. Show the viewers that we wash our hands before we cook anything.
Baby, you're the key to my heart.
Get your fruity ass on somewhere. Move.
Kathy. Who's Kathy, huh? Alright, you know how to read, right?
Girl, yes. Okay, so 1. Preheat and prep. Wash and dry all produce. Adjust rack to upper position. What the fuck is this?
What is that? Is that corn?
What is that? Yo, are you serious? This can't be real.
Babe, don't put it here.
Oh, okay. Classic barbecue sauce. We got the fresh herb cilantro. Fresh herb cilantro.
Oh, you love cilantro.
I do. Mike's honey.
Yeah.
We got a lime, dink. What is this?
Shallots.
Shallots and tomato.
That's it?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
So we got that. Got this. I don't know how to use this.
It's your oven.
I know, 425 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
Boom.
Okay.
That's.
Yeah, that's.
Do I wash it with cold water? Or hot
Yeah,
water?
it's cold water.
My hands don't even get cold.
Okay, well.
Oh, my hands are cold as hell. Am I washing this right?
Every Asian household has this.
Okay, Americans use that too.
They do?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Oh. Well, Americans will have these. Yeah.
Don't distract me. You're cheating. Oh shit.
Careful.
Oh, this.
If you have to look at the camera and tell them, like, you have to make eye contact. It's a cooking show.
This is my first time cooking.
No, that's a steak knife.
Oh, this will work, right?
Oh my god.
So cut it like this?
Like the picture, just cube it like the pictures.
How am I supposed to? It's fucking cone. How am I supposed to cube it? Wait, how do I cube it? But I like the. Damn, what?
We're all the same, baby. Same, like, thickness.
Oh.
Don't. Oh, careful, your finger.
This shit is not easy. What the fuck? Dude, I thought HelloFresh was gonna be easy. Did you do the beginner level? Is this beginner level?
This is 20-minute meal prep.
Dude.
It's not bad for your foot. What are you doing?
Don't.
What is that, babe? I said cubes. Now, what
Okay,
the
but it's.
One eternity later.
Censor all the cussing. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm kind of frustrated right now.
You guys want a house tour while he cuts on?
Yeah, do that. Give me a house tour.
This is the living room.
That's the family room.
The family room. What's the difference between the living room and the family room?
The family room, you spend time with your family. The living room is for guests.
Oh, really? I never knew that. Okay, look at Isaac when he was younger. Look, he's doing the chicken dance. This looks so round.
Okay,
Or
fuck. I'm almost done. Wait, the sweet potato.
you look like a Spider-Man.
What?
You have.
Oh, this I'm about to watch. Oh shit, it just squirted.
Don't yell at me because you suck at cooking.
This is not even the right piece.
What do you mean?
I want to do it.
You save this for the chicken then. You don't need that much. It's just for the sweet potatoes.
Babe, why you're so annoying?
You're dumb. Okay.
I like this size.
Only the sweet potatoes.
Okay.
Like mix it. Good job.
Bro, I still gotta cut this. Crap. Oh yeah.
There you go.
Oh yeah, we here. Ah!
Oh my
Oh.
god. Are you serious? I told you. Oh my.
This voice? What are you talking about? Me? Oh! Ah! So hot! This is dangerous. Yo, it's hot. This shit. Oh! Oh, that looks good.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, just leave it for now. Just let that cook.
Okay,
Take this out.
Okay, take this out.
That needs to come out. It's gonna
That
burn.
needs to come out?
Yes.
It's gonna burn. That's gonna burn. Where's the mitten? Got that jump real.
Just set it on the stove top, yeah. There you go. Yeah, just do that. Okay. How long did it say to cook it for?
5 to 6 minutes.
It hasn't been 5 to 6 minutes.
Are you sure?
Oh.
Oh shit. Did you not see anything in there? You good? I told you. Oh,
I'll get the plates ready for you, okay?
alright. Wait, do you need help when you're cooking?
No.
You could do it by yourself. You could do all this by yourself?
Of course.
Are you serious?
Oh.
No, exactly.
I'll watch the veggies, okay?
No, watch me. Watch me. Babe, the camera's not even on me.
It is.
No, I'll watch both. I could go back and forth. This shit really a competition.
You gotta glaze the honey.
Huh?
You gotta make the sauce.
Okay, hold on.
The barbecue
Hold on.
sauce.
Hey, no, get me. Record me. I'm the chef.
Okay, Chef Kim.
Okay.
Put everything in here in this bowl.
Okay. My hands are slippery.
I'll do it.
No, I'll do it. Babe, I'm not on your you're not on my team.
Oh.
You are, I mean, you're my girlfriend, like that team, but this is a competition. We're versing.
Just no, if that doesn't. I gave it to you to mix, babe.
Oh, it's the mix?
Yes.
Oh.
Ooh, saucy. Okay, now put these in.
Sausage. Okay. Babe, thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
I love you.
I love you too.
I'll put that motherfucker.
Honey.
Wait, are you gonna be more organized? You know how to follow the directions?
Oh my god.
Cause I lost myself when I was figuring out what I even needed.
Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist.
Glaze
Look at the
those.
flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist.
Just to broil. Oh. No, come here.
What?
Turn it to broil.
Oh. Oh. And then what?
And just
3
leave it.
minutes?
Okay, now clean these shit. Something like that.
Okay, we're gonna see the difference. I'm pretty sure you're gonna do it just like this too.
No.
You always trying to interrupt me. You lucky you cute. Anyways.
Look at this. I want to try some. That looks good.
How legit does that look?
Damn.
I did that. Hey yo. I'm finally done. It only took me 3 hours.
And a finger.
Major fail, yo. I didn't bite into it yet. I kind of, opened it up with a fork. Turns out, chicken's not cooked. You should just cooked her.
Oh my god. Okay.
So here we are. I don't think it's cooked still.
It's not cooked?
It tastes fucking awful.
Really? We just had the barbecue part. Well, the waste of a whole chicken.
So nasty.
Let's try the
I like this though. Is that pumpkin? What's that orange stuff?
sweet potato.
Dude, you have so much more stuff than me.
Just have to cut it. I need to sauce.
You look so cute. Okay, so that's what I should have done. Well,
I'm so hungry.
whoa. Huh. Interesting.
Never hold it this way because it's slippery when you cut. You know?
Teaching me as you go. Awesome.
The onion? Onion or shallot?
What is that? What is that? It's an apple. Whoa, it's so shiny. Looks like Mr. Clean's head. Whoa, why are you cutting it like that?
Have to dice it.
Oh, why didn't you teach me this skill?
You said you didn't want. You wanted to go first.
Okay. Watch your finger, babe. Look at that technique. Nice. I can't believe I wasted 2 whole chickens. Oh my goodness. That's so embarrassing.
Did you put that? I'll make the pico de gallo.
Okay. Multitasking. I'm digging it. Whoa. What? Yo. That was smooth. That was real smooth. Get it. Get it, hey, get it. Get it, hey, hey, hey. Whoa, whoa. Flick of the wrist, hey. Flick of the wrist, yeah. Flick of the wrist, huh?
I gotta squeeze the lime.
You didn't tell me to do that with my lime. You are a cheater. You are cheating. Boom, boom, boom. Wow. You did that so quick.
hate on my B socks.
I swear every Asian girl wears KB socks. What's up with that?
Gotta the pan.
Ooh.
Cutting board.
You're so organized. I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna save this.
Okay.
Isn't that too big for a quesadilla? What? Ooh.
I got all of it into it.
You're only doing one chicken? What is this?
Oh my god, fix it.
Are you already almost done? What the heck? Oh shit. Ha, mitten, and we live in the mitten. Ha. Other way.
Some pop while the cheese melts, you know?
Okay, let's see what you're about to do. It's not, no.
What?
It's kind of off.
Oh, sorry. Hold your finger, babe.
I think it's still bleeding a lot.
Still?
Yeah, it's like bleeding through the band-aid.
It's not.
It is.
Hungry.
One eternity later.
Oh, you can't hear.
Okay.
Perfect, babe. This is gonna go in here.
Okay.
And then we can put that too.
Yeah, throw that away. Ooh.
Oh, oh.
What?
Okay.
Oh my. Yo! What is. Yo!
It's okay.
Yo! What is that, my G? We both messing up. We both messing up. I think we just need.
Stop. No, I did not mess
You
up.
messed up. Oh no, buddy.
Look, it's like.
Oh my gosh. That's the pico de gallo.
Yeah.
That looks so different from what I eat at restaurants. That is not no damn pico de gallo.
You're mean.
Okay, y'all, this was my med kit for my finger. Okay. You got it. Okay. I'm gonna bring this.
You're pretty wrong.
Okay. About to eat Angela's food. Let me set this. Okay, they don't suck. Maybe we just suck.
Okay.
Alright, let's try it. Alright, y'all. At least it should taste good, right?
Is it? Oh, I can't even hold it right. It's breaking apart, babe.
It's good. It's pretty good. No, I'm so serious. Good job, babe. Cause you know me, I'll tell you if it's nasty.
Yes, you want some? Sure. I didn't think you guys would want. Huh?
I messed up my whole meal.
Come here.
I couldn't make my chicken.
Come here.
This is pretty good though. Angela made this one. Tell me what you think. Or tell Angela what you think.
Okay.
You look pretty.
I know. I'm just kidding. Thank you. You kind of look disgusting.
Is it good? It's not bad.
It's supposed to look like this?
No. That's another meal.
I was like, wow.
That's why we just cook ramen noodles. It's so simple. Babe. I like it.
Huh? Why? Did you
Your
cry?
boy had full out instructions. I didn't even have to go grocery shopping. And I still managed to take a big L. Is that good? But anyways.
You're not meant to cook, babe. Come here. Good job. Good job, babe.
Get it off of me. I'm happy right now.
I love you.
I'm happy right now.
What? It's cleaning the floor.
This is the least I can do.